Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mrs. Dian, as an English lecturer, and good afternoon, all my friends. In this presentation, we will present about the housekeeping department at the hotel. Before we start, let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Pingky Dwi Ayu Prastika, and my partner Ivana Yulika Ramadhani, and Zela Sahaq Nurfitriya. The table of contents in this PPT will explain about first, definition of housekeeping, second, main purpose of housekeeping, third, areas of responsibility housekeeping, fourth, housekeeping department layout, and then section of housekeeping. First, I will explain about the definition of housekeeping. Housekeeping consists of two words, namely house, which mean home, and keeping, which mean maintaining. In general, housekeeping is a department in the hotel, which is in charge of organizing, maintaining, cleaning all areas both inside the hotel and public areas, and providing service at the request of guests.
Housekeeping department headed by an executive housekeeper and assisted by one or two assistant executive housekeeper, as well as a secretary to executive housekeeper, and several section heads and supervisor. Main purpose of housekeeping: maintain the cleanliness of all parts of the hotel at all times. Assigned to carry out cleaning effectively and efficiently. Use good and safe equipment and materials. Manage the use of linen and laundry. Decorate the hotel with a beautiful and classy interior. Maintain hotel facilities and infrastructure, including controlling insects. Housekeeping area of responsibility: guest room, guest bedrooms, public areas such as lobby and lift, banquets and conference halls, parking area, sales and admin offices, garden. Housekeeping department layout in hotel: housekeeping store, office of the executive housekeeper, laundry area, uniform room, flower room, housekeeping control desk, linen room, tailor room, lots and found.
Room section. This section job is to clean and tidy up the room after guests check out, collecting dirty laundry and deliver it to the laundry room, changing sheets and blankets, cleaning dust to cleaning the bathroom. Public area section. This section is responsible for maintenance and service in public area such as the lobby, swimming pool, gym, and other public facility. Keeping of cleanliness of the common area must be guarded very well because of the many people passing by and using the public areas. Laundry section. Duty to wash, iron, and fold all the fabric used in the hotel include bath towel, bathrobe, curtain, bedline, and blankets. In some hotels, employee uniforms are also the responsibility of the section. Linen. His job is to distribute linen and fabric that are neat and clean to all hotel lines and rooms that need them. If the line section is delayed, the room will automatically not get various towels and other clean clothes quickly. Florist and gardener. The florist is responsible for the freshness and beauty of the bouquet and flower arranged placed in the hotel's room, as at rooms, lobby, restaurant, to the hall of the inn. They will also be on duty if the hotel requires a particular flower arranged for an event. Meanwhile, the gardener is in charge of maintaining the plants and gardens outside and inside the hotel. As at the front garden, gazebo, garden around the swimming pool, and playground for children include regular pruning, cleaning, and weeding of plants. Thank you so much for your attention. Good afternoon. Have a great day.